Over 4 million Americans quit their jobs. Where are they going? No, they're not going off grid. I know where they're going. You know, startups are at an all-time high. Those same people, and you may feel the same way, are saying no more. We don't love how we're living, working, earning, and it's time for big changes on this planet. Why not choose your own destiny? How about earning the way you want to, but loving what you do, choosing your own career, your own business, controlling that, having freedom? I live in that world. I'm Landria Onkka, a best-selling, award-winning author. I have a television movie, and that's thanks to the fact that I started going after my dreams 7 years ago. I got training online, and I used technology. I was an investment banker, and I know all about businesses, but I didn't know how an online business operated, and I needed the proper training. I knew that if I was going to get rid of the heart palpitations and get out of an industry I didn't connect to anymore, that I was going to have to make a big change. I had to be independent. And this platform that I'm going to offer you today, a free video series to learn more about, was the gateway to my freedom. I didn't go off grid, but I did recently make a move without one thought of my career, because it goes with me. Anywhere in the world there's an internet connection. People want freedom, they want to feel good, they want to feel healthy, they want to have quality time with family and friends. Are you feeling that way? You're not alone. This isn't just in the US, this is global. And I assure you that anybody can learn this if they're committed and they are determined to create a new lifestyle. This is a step-by-step training, no background in technology, no business experience. You're going to learn all of that. You're going to get those skills and you will own your own business. You're not going onto some platform where you do what they tell you to do, and if you quit, you made them money and then you part company. You will learn from the platform how to create your own business that you own. You're going to have all the people you need, all the tools, all the downloads, everything to create that business. Now, what if you don't have products and services? That was the case with me. You will learn how to create a business based on that model, and then you can decide where you take it from there. Do you want to be a coach? Do you want to offer services to the world, create quality and value, make a difference on this planet? A writer, a musician, anything can be monetized online. But you have to know how to do it, and you need the right training. In my opinion, these are the best trainers on the planet. In fact, I'm more successful than I ever was as an investment banker doing what I love. Would you love to change the world, change your own life, have quality life, be able to have that freedom, feel good every day, and then get financially rewarded for it? Get the skills, get the training. Technology, it is the biggest industry on the planet, getting bigger, and you could take advantage of it in a very positive way. You can click somewhere here on the screen or below to get your free video series. It will explain how you can earn multiple income streams, what the training actually offers, and how you can participate in this new movement where we're saying no more. We want to live quality lives. We want to love our lives, and we want to be abundant. Click somewhere here on the screen. If you don't like it, you unsubscribe, but isn't it time to go after that life that you deserve? Take charge. We'll help you do it. You'll have an amazing community of other people who are saying, yes, let's go after our dream lives and accomplishing those goals. Thanks so much for listening. Again, you can click somewhere here on the screen or below, get your free videos, and decide for yourself. Be safe out there, my friend. Thank you, and take care.